Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieve my high sleek puff, so stay tuned. So I'm starting with an old wash and go. This is probably third or fourth day, and here I'm just putting it up in a very messy bun just to get all the hair up and out my face. Now I'm taking a spray bottle with water and just really saturating the product that's already in my hair. I'm just kind of reactivating it with water and just really working that in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take this vented brush and just, it looks like I'm really going ham, but I am gently just working the product in my hair while using the brush and just kind of smoothing it out. And if you are having trouble achieving the sleek bun, keep saturating your hair with water, because the more water you have, the more you're able to kind of maneuver your hair in a way where wherever you take it, it's gonna go, if that makes sense. So I am taking this little bristle brush. I don't know where I got this little brush from. And again, I'm just really smoothing my hair out. As you guys can see, I am starting to create the waves, and for me it's just more of a repetitive motion. As you guys can see, I keep alternating between the bristle brush and the vent brush and just really smoothing it in. Now again, as you guys can see, it is still messy, but yeah, we're just continuing to work product in. Now I'm going back in with my Cantu Shea Butter and applying that to my hair, just one coat, and then I'm using the Eco Solid Gel just to give it more of a firm hold, because for me this style can last me at least 2 to 3 days. So yeah, just take your time. Again, work in the product and alternate between your vent brush and your bristle brush. And here, as you guys can see, the waves and the curls are starting to become a lot more defined and smooth. Okay ladies, so now that I'm able to put my hair up in a high ponytail, I am going in with scrunchies. These aren't the biggest scrunchies, but they work for me. I used 2 scrunchies to achieve a more tight look. Now again, I do have quite a bit of hair, so I did wrap it around 3 times and used more than one so it wouldn't break. But it's totally up to you if you have more hair or less hair. You can even use a string to attach it. Now I'm going in again with my Eco Solid Gel and just again smoothing everything out and making sure that the product is evenly distributed and smooth. You guys, I'm using the word smooth a lot because I want to emphasize on the word smooth. When you have a smooth, nice base and then like the puff, it's just gorgeous. So now I'm going and doing my baby hairs with this toothbrush and Eco Solid Gel. Again, this is totally optional, but I kind of like how it looks, so I'm gonna do my baby hairs on my grown people hairs. So yeah. And again, I'm going in with the toothbrush to really define my hair and smooth it out. So here is a 360 of how my hair is looking. Everything is uniformed and in place. So now I am taking my scarf just to lay down my edges so I can work on the actual ponytail. Now I'm taking out the rubber band that I first used in my hair just to get everything up and out the way, and I went back in with well, actually no, first I'm going to kind of just fluff and tighten and just kind of see where the hair is naturally going to fall. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much there, but I just wanted to kind of, you know, give it that so I'm taking a little bit more water just to saturate the hair even more. Saturate, and then I am just going to define a couple of pieces. I don't believe I put any more product in my hair, but if I did, I think I did put a little bit more Eco Style gel just to kind of define some of the more frizzier pieces. So yeah, again, this is very optional, but I just like to go sometimes that extra step to get the results that I want. So if you guys again feel like you are not achieving the best puff, or you know, any style, just kind of go the extra step as far as redefining your hair or stretching out your wash and goes with blow dryers. Little things, and sometimes the details in things can really make up or make the difference that you are looking for. So I'm just going to continue to just define the curls and separate and finger detangle lightly or slightly, because, you know, again, sometimes the more manipulation you do, the more breakage. So you just want to take your time, and yeah. So I did sit under my dryer, or my hooded dryer, for like 10 minutes just to get some of that that product that was sitting on my hair out. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty good. So again, I am going that extra step, and I'm going to fluff my hair to the desired bigness. Now, if you guys don't like big hair, or if you don't like your puff too big, you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to kind of separate and give my hair a little bit more volume. And I did go in, I didn't use any additional product. This is kind of how it turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf. Everything is set and in place. Nothing is hard, crunchy, there's no product buildup, and it looks pretty good. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'm just giving you guys a 360 of the curls and the waves and the kinks and just natural hair and how beautiful it can be. So thanks again for watching. Bye.